You are lucky to have come across my valuable video. If you realized why your hair is falling out, I'll tell you something that could be a solution for you. Forget those fancy and expensive serums. Onions are packed with the good stuff your hair craves. It's a building block for keratin, the protein that makes up your luscious locks. More sulfur equals stronger, healthier hair. This isn't just a fancy word. Quercetin is a superhero for your scalp, especially if you're battling autoimmune hair loss like alopecia. Let's get juicing basic recipe. Firstly, chop it up. Grab one red onion and get it into your blender. After, blend it smooth. Whiz it up until it's a pulpy mess. Then strain it, squeezing the precious onion juice using cheesecloth. You want the liquid, not the particles. Scalp massage time. In the shower, massage that juice all over your scalp for a few minutes. Don't rinse it off yet. Let it marinate for 40 minutes to an hour. Go ahead, binge watch your favorite show while it works its magic. After waiting, wash your hair with shampoo. Rinse thoroughly and shampoo twice to banish any onion smell. You'll thank me later. Do this twice a week for 4 to 6 weeks. And trust me, you'll see new growth by the third or fourth week. Let me give you some additional tips. Rosemary. Why rosemary? Because a study has shown that rosemary is as effective as the most effective medications for alopecia. This stuff really works. Rosemary oil is packed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that increase blood flow to the scalp. Hello, happy hair follicles. However, remember that rosemary is potent. Therefore, you need to dilute it with water. Use 5 drops of water for 15 drops of rosemary oil. Massage it into your hair once a week. Leave it on for 1 hour and then wash your hair. Also, after consulting your doctor, don't forget to get enough vitamin D, B12, iron, and zinc. Apply these for 3 months and you will see the visible results for yourself. Have a nice day.